So I was looking to upgrade my kitchen faucet to one that was affordable, great quality, and stylish, and I'm so happy that I chose this one by APPASO. This faucet has many great features. But first, let me show you how quick this faucet is to install. It comes packaged with everything you need for easy installation. The only tools that you're going to need is an adjustable wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. So first, you're going to want to put on this 10-inch base plate, and then you're going to attach the faucet together and feed the lines down through the hole. Next, you're going to want to go underneath your sink and tighten the threaded ring around the faucet, and then screw in these screws here, and that's going to attach it nice and secure to the sink. After that, all you're going to need to do is hook up the hot and cold water line, making sure to tighten it down with a wrench. You're going to add the hose weight on the designated spot here. You're going to snap the faucet water line, and boom, your faucet's ready to go. Now, the features that really stand out to me in this faucet is that it's made of 304 stainless steel, so that's going to make it highly resistant to corrosion and rust. I like how the base plate is really solid, and this spring here is really heavy duty. I really like that it has one lever, making it easy to adjust the temperature and the flow of the water. Now, this adjustable sprayer, it works great. So the default mode here is the stream mode, and the other is a powerful spray mode, making easy work when rinsing the food off the dishes. I also really like that you're able to extend the hose out 20 inches, and it retracts back, fitting nicely into the holder. It can also swivel 360 degrees, so that helps provide coverage to all areas of your sink. So if you're looking to upgrade to a stylish kitchen faucet that's quality made and has many great features, I highly recommend this one by APPASO. Thanks for watching.